Car now shakes, right? But I gotta take this out here. I think you're starting to see what's going on. That slides together. This, look at my greasy fingers. This slides together. That slides together. And the roof. That just stays the same. All right, get to work. We rejoin our scheduled programming where Bill is confused, not sure what to do with his latest mistake. What's up? What am I gonna do with that? I didn't realize I had like a muffin top and that my top was bigger than my bottom. It looks good, but there's like all these little details that are gonna make this thing a mess. So I'm gonna have to cut all this and move it out. And that means I gotta get these taillights out, and I'm probably gonna section it like right here, I think. Just cut here, and then pull this bumper off and section it here and just pull this whole thing out. The chassis, I gotta make sure it's straight, right? Like, gotta make sure the frame rails connect up right. And I never really measured the actual width, and the car gets wider, bows out, and then tapers. So stupid. So the pinch seams and the door jams and all that are off by like 1/4 inch each side or something. I don't know, I'll just cut it off, make it work. So like, see how that's all nice and tidy and I didn't cut straight, so I gotta cut that straight. Pinch seems like kinda spot on, then you go over there and you can see it's like kinda off. And here it's like spot on. So if I could just do that and then weld it and then bang that in. Oh man. I mean, it probably isn't that hard just to like notch that thing on the inside and just flex it in, re-weld it where it needs to be. It's like a waste of time. That's what you get for not measuring. I just didn't care. I just like cut the whole thing up and pieced it all back together. What am I gonna do with this mess? So I gotta make sense of that, and I gotta cut out that, and I gotta cut out that, and I gotta cut out that, and I gotta smooth that, and I gotta cut out that. I wonder if I can get the license plate tetanus. Alright, watch a little WRC in the garage. This is tunes, but I like working at Mom's house. It's like happy here, I can do what I want. Oh, I can grill cheese. Yes, you can grill cheese. Like, that's totally a doable thing. This is why you put cars on blocks. This is why you don't build on springs. Because as you move weight off the car moves around. All the angles are just different. So I'm just gonna glue this thing back together and we'll just hope the lines are straight. That's why I'm playing with the doors. I think I'm gonna use like, I'm just making sure this whole thing's kind of straight. Yeah.